Hi guys, in this video I'm going to tell you everything which you need to know about timecode in Sony FX3 and FX30. So first of all, you can plug in your timecode input on the side of Sony FX3 and FX30 where you have this multiport which is dedicated for your timecode input. Now you can use different cables for taking timecode input on Sony FX3 and FX30, like there is one from Deity, one from Sony, and then there is one from the Tentacle Sound, which I prefer using because this is a very simple cable. Now before you plug in your timecode and try to sync it with your camera, one thing you need to know about is like make sure that the frame rate on your camera is same frame rate of your timecode device. So if that is set to 24, your camera's frame rate should be fixed on 24 as well, and if that is on 25, your camera's frame rate should be fixed on 25 to make it sync. Otherwise it will not recognize your timecode input. Now to do the timecode settings on camera, you go to menu, you go to shooting, and in shooting on number 7 you have the timecode and user button options where you can go to the timecode settings. You can set it to the time of the day, but it's not good, it's not ideal, it will keep drifting. That's why we use the external input of timecode. So you plug in your timecode and then you go on the settings where you have the rec run and free run. You go on the free run, and if it's on the same frame rate as your timecode input, it will automatically detect your input and it will take 2 to 3 seconds to jam sync your timecode. Once your timecode is synced, the next thing, if you want to make it appear on your screen, you go to menus. In menus you go to setup, and in there you have the display options. In the display options you can go here and click on timecode to make it appear on your screen. Now I think this is pretty much it about sound and timecode settings in Sony FX3 and FX30. In case you have any more questions, please feel free to put those in comments and I'll make sure I'll reply to those. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.